Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of my Your Personalized Skincare box. This company specializes in personalized skincare. I'm going to show you everything that I received in my box. I'm also going to show you what their website looks like and how they determine which formula is going to be the best for your skin.
Everything came nicely packaged in this like light purple box, and it has this pull-out drawer. I have kept everything in this box. I think it's really cute. Inside, you'll find this card here that has the instructions on how to use the formula. The first thing is this cleanser. You get 2 ounces, and by the way, everything in this box is supposed to be used for 3 months. I was a little concerned about the size of this cleanser using it for 3 months, but it does suggest to use a dime size. The instructions also suggest that you use some type of makeup remover before you go in with the cleanser. So you can either use a deeper cleanser, micellar water, makeup remover, coconut oil, whatever you use, just make sure you use that before you use this cleanser. It's not like a gel cleanser or any type of foaming cleanser. This is more of a cream-based cleanser, so it left my skin still very moisturized, which I'm not used to. I made sure not to use anything else after this cleanser other than what was provided because I know in this cleanser it has ingredients to help my skin. So washing your face is going to be the first step, whether it's day or night. During the day, your second step is to use this day cream, which is SPF 30, which is amazing. I love me some sunscreen. I just used 1 pump, which seemed to just cover my whole face, and then whatever was left on my hands, I used it on my neck. It doesn't leave your face feeling greasy. It absorbs very quickly into your skin, and that's exactly what I look for in a sunscreen moisturizer. And at night, you're going to switch it up. You're going to go directly into the serum after you wash your face, and it suggests 2 or 3 little droplets, and for me, 2 drops is enough. It takes a bit of time for this serum to get absorbed into your skin, so I am just taking my time, really massaging it into my face, gently of course, and then the last step at night is you're going to put on your night cream after the serum. And I use a little bit more than a dime size, maybe a nickel size, if that's easier to describe. And this stuff does get absorbed into the skin very nicely after the serum is dry. And I also massage it into my neck, and whatever is left over, I massage it into my hands. Same thing with the serum, I massage it into my hands. And since this kit does not come with an eye cream, I just use my regular eye cream that I use all the time, but it pretty much covers all the bases. Now I'm going to show you how you can take the skincare quiz. I'll leave the link down below so you can click on that. This skincare quiz takes about 5 minutes and you will get your products within about 5 days. Click next on the bottom. I went ahead and chose all of the skin goals that they listed. And then it'll ask you some questions about yourself, not related to your skin just yet. And then I have combination skin. And my skin never burns, ever. I just get tan. And I never really have an issue with new skincare. If you happen to make an error, you can always go back to change your answer. I just wanted to show you that little feature. And then again, I just went ahead and chose all of the skin concerns that they listed. And then it says here, what do you want them to really focus on? And I want them to focus on everything that I'm concerned with. I don't have any wrinkles just yet, even when my face is at rest. And I do get a few pimples, nothing huge, and they definitely see them around the time I'm going to start my period, which it's so annoying, but I get them. I do have discoloration a little bit on my cheeks. I see mostly blackheads just around, like very, very small blackheads. And I put all over my face because I do see them around my nose, but I never see them on my cheeks. I do see them on my forehead. I've always had kind of uneven skin growing up, some of them caused by acne. And even though I don't put my face in the sun, I feel like I do have a couple sunspots on my cheeks just from driving in my car. And then I use pretty much everything here that's listed. I am allergic to Retin-A, very strong Retin-A, so I did not select that. And then I like my ingredients to be natural but effective. I use a Clarisonic, and so now it's going to go into a little bit more about your environment. I feel like San Diego is kind of neutral. I don't know if that's even correct, but it's raining right now. And I don't really feel like it's that polluted, but I don't really know if that's correct. So I'm going to put not sure. And that's the end. You want to put in your email so they can contact you.
So my little boy is in the background right now, but I just wanted to wrap up this video really quick. That is everything in my Your Personalized Skincare box. I hope you guys stay tuned to my channel. I will be doing an update in a couple weeks to see how my skin is doing. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting some updates there as well. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!